Hello guys, my name is Himanshu. Today I am telling about Excel intro and my channel name is So Easy Excel Code. And I am telling about I am a learner of Excel. I am sharing my experience of 1 year grab and I am telling about Excel intro. This is all our columns and everyone say this that those in this video everyone makes lots of big video and telling you learn there and I you watch this video 6 or I will make you beginner to advanced level. It's not possible because I have a experience of 1 year. I waste my time and I suggest you don't believe this person because I was wasting lots of time from these videos and that's I think you don't create problem because when did I start my learning and case then I am watching lots of videos per person and my brother and my elders told me you don't watch any video, you focus only for one person and my brother and my elders said me to focus only one person. Then I start again. Excel intro is not more than important. Excel intro is a row column cells. I know very well everyone's have lots of experience. I don't have any experience but I create my experience and when did I face problems? I think you don't create your problems as you watch my video and understand clearly. I don't want any like, followers, comments. I don't want anything. I have an only agenda to clear and simple way and you understand easily. I think you learn English. I explain anything in English, simple English uses. If you serious, fully serious means you want to do this, then you watch my video. I think it's understanding and if you watch my video I think you are enjoy my videos and understand clearly. If you are interested to watch my video say me yes and thanks for watching my video.